In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Xtraboost Wi-Fi extender using the login method. This is the easiest way to connect your extender to your existing Wi-Fi network if WPS not working. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and plug into power. First, unbox your Xtraboost Wi-Fi extender. Inside box, you will get Xtraboost extender and quick user manual. Now plug your Xtraboost extender into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Connect to extender from mobile or laptop. Now, open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or computer. Look for the extender network name, usually labeled something like Xtraboost_T, and connect to it. Step 3. Login to extender settings. Now open web browser and access 192.168.7.1 Xtraboost default login IP. Check extender sticker for default login IP. Use admin as default login password and press login button. After logging in, tap repeater option. Extender will automatically begin searching for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Then click Connect button. The extender will now save the settings and reboot. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4. Connect to extender network. Now go to your mobile or laptop Wi-Fi settings. You will get one more Wi-Fi name same as your home Wi-Fi name followed by EXD. This is the extender SSID. Use your home Wi-Fi password to connect it and enjoy Wi-Fi everywhere. That's it. You have successfully connected Xtraboost Wi-Fi extender to your home Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you to fix your Wi-Fi issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.